the bromo group. That's where we are taking the acetanilide. So acetanilide is comparing the amine group. This one is weak directory. So here we are taking the bromine in presence of the glacial acetic acid. So bromine is the harmful chemical. Bromine liquid is poisonous to the, it causes some side effects. That's why we are not using bromine. So in place of the bromine, we are taking the cetic ammonium nitrate and potassium bromide. So here we are doing the alternative green procedure. So normal procedure is when you are writing the procedure of this one, just we are taking the bromine in presence of glacial acetic acid, that will be giving the bromoacetanilide. So synthesis of the green method, where we are using the cetic ammonium nitrate. So here nothing but here chemicals we need: acetanilide, potassium bromide, cetic ammonium nitrate, ethanol, water. These are the chemicals used for the preparation of the parabromoacetanilide. So here we have to take so what is the procedure of the preparation of the parabromoacetanilide? What is the chemical first we have to take, children?
Ethanol, ma'am.
So ethanol. Here first we have to take acetanilide in ethanol. So what is the starting material? Starting material is acetanilide. This one is acetanilide. So take acetanilide 1 gram. That 1 gram of acetanilide is soluble in ethanol. Look at this one. This one is the acetanilide. So here I am taking
Ma'am,
1
nothing
gram
is
of
visible,
the
ma'am.
acetanilide. Pardon?
It is not visible, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one is approximately I am taking. This is the 1 gram of the acetanilide. So this acetanilide is. Then what is the next procedure? Add that 15 ml of the ethanol. So this one is ethanol. Take 15 ml of the ethanol. So this one is ethanol. 15 ml of the ethanol we have to take with the help of measuring jar. Then you transfer this ethanol into the conical flask which contains the acetanilide. So you dissolve acetanilide in ethanol. So it takes 2-3 minutes. In meanwhile, we'll prepare another solution. In another conical flask, we have to take potassium bromide, 1 gram of the potassium bromide. Another one is cetic ammonium nitrate. Cetic ammonium nitrate is 6 grams. This one is weighed cetic ammonium nitrate, this orange color. So this is the 6 grams of the cetic ammonium nitrate. Another one is potassium bromide. So why we are taking potassium bromide in place of the bromine? No answer from your side. Already I give the information why we are taking potassium bromide in place of the bromine.
Because bromine is not good for health.
So not only that one, here we are using the green synthesis method. So bromine liquid place we are taking the potassium bromide. Potassium bromide is simple salt only. రబ్ చేసి ఒకటి పేపర్ అన్న తీసుకో. So this one is stearic ammonium nitrate. 6 grams of the stearic ammonium nitrate. Here I am taking in the another beaker. Then we have to take 1 gram of the potassium bromide. Then add 15 ml of the distilled water. ఇది కూడా కడిగి. So this is the simple salt potassium bromide. This potassium bromide 1 gram is enough to the preparation of para-bromoacetanilide. So here I am taking approximately only just 1.5 spatula is enough. That is 1 gram of the potassium bromide. So here I have taken here stearic ammonium nitrate and potassium bromide. Orange color stearic ammonium nitrate, white color is potassium bromide. Then we have to add distilled water. So that another beaker, the conical flask which contains what is the solution here? So what is the solution? First beaker, acetanilide with ethanol. Acetanilide is soluble in ethanol completely. That acetanilide is soluble in ethanol. In second conical flask, we are taking the stearic ammonium nitrate and potassium bromide. Here these two will be dissolved in distilled water. That is 15 ml of the distilled water. You stir these contents in a water, it will be soluble. So this solution we have to transfer into the another conical flask which contains acetanilide with ethanol. So this stearic ammonium nitrate potassium bromide solution drop wise we have to transfer into the first conical flask. Slowly you transfer that solution into first conical flask. Simultaneously you stir this first conical flask. Reaction will be taking place. Acetanilide with potassium bromide. Ice కావాలి. Are you able to see what is the color of this conical flask solution?
Yes, ma'am.
So some white and light yellowish color is appearing inside of the conical flask. ఒక పెద్ద బీకర్ ఇవ్వవా? దాన్ని క్రష్ చేయలేవా మమత? అవన్నీ పీసెస్. ఇందులోనే వచ్చేసి డిస్ప్లే. Are you able to see some crystals are appeared inside of the conical flask? So white color crystals are appeared inside of the conical flask. That is nothing but para-broma acetanilide. So this we have to transfer into the ice cold water. After that we have to filter that content with the help of the Bunsen burner. Now this beaker is containing the ice cold water. This solution I am transferring into the beaker. What is the color of this beaker? This beaker solution. What is the color of the this
White.
solution? White color. That is nothing but what is the product of the white color? What you are preparing today's class?
Yeah, Priyanka, please respond. Anybody, what is your compound that you are preparing?
Bromoacetanol.
Para-bromo.
What is the position of the bromo? Whether it is ortho, meta, para?
Para, ma'am.
Para-broma acetanilide. We prepared that product. So now this solution we are filtering with the help of the Bunsen suction, Buchner suction.
Can you see this vacuum pump? Through suction, we will. Yeah, students, can you see this pump? Yeah, this
Yes,
pump.
ma'am.
This one is suction pump.
And then we
So
will.
normal filtration we do the regular class. So that takes time to the dry. So with the help of the suction pump, it takes very little time to the dry that product. So using this suction pump, we are doing the filtration. Are you able to see this way? We have to take the.
Can you see this? Yeah, this is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
Can you see this? Asadika.
So this contains small holes inside of this the funnel. So here we have to keep the filter paper. Take the size of this funnel. Say that paper.
See, now Srinivas is taking the exact dia of your booklet funnel circumference is making one filter paper, okay? Time consumption, yes, because it will be done with, and we are using water as your solvent, one of these, yes? So because you are using, yeah, because you are using water, it will take time to dry also. Filtration will be fast and drying will be fast if you use this type of suction pump. Okay, we use
Normally, we are using filter.
normal filtration.
Normally, we are using cap for this.
Can you see how fast the filtration is happening?
Are you able to see?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
See, can you see? The white crystal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Content, what is the color of the product? White color product is absorbed inside of this funnel. So that is nothing but para-bromo-acetanilide.
You can write it.
ఇంకా రెండు మూడు filter paper.
Yes.
Now you can see this.
Now you see this para-bromo-acetanilide dried product we prepared with the suction pump. So it takes very little time to the filtering. That's why we are using this filter. Take out this.
उल्टा जैसे blow दे.
So this one is para-bromo-acetanilide.
Crystals.
So your recrystallization also it is there. Here we have used water only. So this product you transfer into the water, you keep it on the water bath. You transfer the solution in the China dish. Afterwards we will get recrystallized para-bromo-acetanilide. Now this one is para-bromo-acetanilide crystals. So this is a crude form. So recrystallization takes some time. So here in your syllabus, recrystallization is not there, just preparation of the para-bromo-acetanilide. This is a crude form. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Para-bromo-acetanilide. Write the procedure in your observation notebook. Back side of the paper,